Hi guys, this is Padlet part 2. In the first video, we talked about how to create a Padlet and how to create an initial post. In this video, we're going to talk in more detail about the different types of posts that you can use in Padlet. So here's our first initial post, and you can go back and have the option of changing that post by adding color to it. You can edit the post if you want to add more information. You can transfer that post to another Padlet. You can also copy this post to a new Padlet, to the Padlet itself, or you can add it to an existing Padlet that you have on your dashboard. You can expand this post and it just makes it larger. This flag right here is if the post is inappropriate. If you want to go out of that, you just click exit. And you can comment on this post because we added that in our features that the students can comment and they can view other comments. So those comments can be viewed by the students and they can add on to it. We're going to click and add a new post just so you can see how it looks when there's multiple posts. We're going to title this practice 2, and I'm going to show you the other features of what you can do with the post. So when you click the upload arrow, you have these options right here, and they're here because I picked the file and I uploaded it here, and this saves it in my Padlet drive. So I can use the existing pictures that I already have, and it saves it to the post. I can click on the little paper clip and I can add a link, and that's any URL. This is a YouTube video and it automatically embeds that video. I have the option of choosing something from Google search, and this is based upon the title of my post. It automatically pulls up images. You can go to videos, GIFs, audio, or anything from the web that's related to that title, or you could just start your own search, but you don't have to go outside of Padlet to do a search. You can do a picture. You can take a picture, you can change the look of that picture, you can add a caption to the picture and click save, and that picture shows up in the post. So there are a lot of different things that you can do with your posts. You click on these 3 dots, you still have those same options that I went over before, but then you can also do a video. So this would be great for doing classroom discussions and they want to answer the writing prompt or the discussion question. They can do a video, they can pause it, they can go back and replay it, they can delete it, they can discard it and restart it. They have so many options that they can play around with. They do not have to try to get it right the first time, but it automatically embeds it right here. Then they also have an option of doing a recorded audio. So if they don't want to do the video, if you want to give options to do audio, you have these options as well. And once again, they can replay it. They have up to 15 minutes long. So they have that option to respond to any writing prompts that you may have or discussions that you may have by using the audio instead of just having to type their response. You can also record your screen. I think this is the one where you have to have an extension for that. You can draw and it can save the drawing. You can do a location if you're talking about settings. You can do an actual link to another Padlet if you want to post a link that goes to a Padlet that's related to the content that they're talking about, so they can use the Padlets in the gallery. So these are some different options of how you can use the post in Padlet. It's not just a simple post where you have to type something. It's great for doing videos, audio, images, web content. So you have a variety of options of how you can use this in the classroom so that students can collaborate, whether you're doing face-to-face or you're doing remote learning. So this is a great resource to use with your students, and it connects directly to Google Classroom. So that makes it easier for them to access it without having to type in that address and remember a code.